The 21st century battlefield is changing. Drones stalk the skies, missiles hunt from hundreds of kilometers away, and electronic warfare can blind an army in seconds. Many believe the age of the tank was over, but Europe disagreed. In the wake of new geopolitical threats, a new armored titan has risen, the Leopard 2A8, Germany's most advanced main battle tank ever built. This is the story of Europe's armored renaissance, and how one tank is redefining modern land warfare. For decades, analysts predicted the tank's extinction. They pointed to drone swarms, loitering munitions, top attack missiles, and urban combat, all conditions where tanks had suffered in recent conflicts. Russia's war in Ukraine seemed to confirm it. Hundreds of tanks destroyed, ambushed, or abandoned. But military planners noticed something else too. Armies without modern tanks suffered far worse. The tank wasn't obsolete, it was unprepared. And Europe, facing its greatest security crisis since 1945, decided to reinvent it. The Leopard 2 has long been Europe's armored backbone. But the 2A8 is not just an upgrade, it is a generational leap forward. Its development was accelerated after 2022 when European governments realized their Cold War fleets were aging, and the battlefield was evolving faster than their tanks. The result? A vehicle combining Cold War armor philosophy with 21st century digital warfare logic. The key to the 2A8's survival isn't just steel, it is intelligence. Trophy Active Protection System borrowed from Israeli battlefield experience, the APS detects incoming threats, tracks them, and destroys them mid-flight. Anti-tank missiles? Neutralized. RPG ambush and urban combat? Countered. Top attack drones? Detected faster than any human could react. New modular armor. The 2A8 introduces redesigned turret armor, improved hull plates, and modular blocks that can be swapped in the field. This isn't a tank that just survives. It adapts. The Leopard 2A8 is essentially a mobile data center with a cannon attached. Inside, every crew member is connected through a unified digital battle network, real-time threat maps, drone feeds, electronic warfare alerts, satellite-linked command updates. It sees enemies before they appear, and can fire before the enemy knows it's been spotted. This is not the old blind steel beast of World War II. This is a tank with situational awareness equal to a modern fighter jet. The Rheinmetall L55A1 cannon is one of the most lethal tank guns ever created. Enhanced for modern APFSDS rounds and programmable airburst shells, it can pierce advanced composite armor, neutralize fortified positions, destroy drones or infantry behind cover. The 2A8 doesn't rely on numbers. It relies on first shot, first kill accuracy. European engineers studied every modern conflict, from Iraq to Syria to Ukraine. The conclusion was clear: crew survivability determines victory. The 2A8 features redesigned internal blast shielding, automated fire suppression, separated ammo compartments, sensor-driven escape protocols, CBRN, chemical, biological protection. If the tank is hit, the crew still has a future. Despite its size, the Leopard 2A8 is surprisingly agile. Upgraded suspension, high-power MTU engine, redesigned transmission, quieter movement profile, improved thermal signature reduction. In European forests, hills, and urban terrain, mobility is life. The 2A8 is built to keep moving. Germany, Hungary, Norway, the Czech Republic, Italy, Lithuania, all racing to acquire the 2A8. For the first time since the Cold War, Europe is rearming in unity. Analysts call it Europe's armored renaissance. The message is clear: Europe is preparing for a future where armored warfare still matters. The 2A8 is not just a tank. It is a bridge, a stepping stone toward the next generation European supertank project known as MGCS, Main Ground Combat System. MGCS will bring unmanned turrets, hybrid engines, drone swarms, AI-assisted targeting. But until then, the 2A8 is the king of European battlefields.
The Leopard 2A8 proves something important.
Tanks are not obsolete. old tanks are. Modern armor, integrated with sensors, drones, active protection, and networked intelligence, still dominates ground combat. Europe watched the world change, and instead of retiring the tank, it reinvented it. The Leopard 2A8 is the symbol of that rebirth, a reminder that steel still matters, firepower still matters, and on the battlefield, the side that adapts fastest wins. This is Europe's armored renaissance. This is the Leopard 2A8, and this is just the beginning.